gonna be making keto pancakes. I swear this recipe is super good. I've tried a million of keto pancakes and this one is the one that works best. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Before we jump into the ingredients, I just want to let you guys know that this recipe makes around 7 to 8 medium pancakes. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. So today we're gonna need 1 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of erythritol, 5 ounces of cream cheese or 140 grams, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 4 eggs. So this is optional, you guys don't have to use it, but I love to put cinnamon on my pancakes, so we're using half teaspoon of cinnamon. To grease our pan, we're gonna be using butter spray. If you don't have this at home, you can just use regular butter, it works fine. Like I said, this recipe is super easy. We're basically just gonna put all our ingredients into our blender and mix them all together. Once we put all our ingredients into the blender, we're just gonna blend until all the ingredients are combined. And I just want to make sure there's nothing sticking around the edges of the blender, so I'm gonna check with my spatula. Once we check there are no unblended ingredients, just like mine, if you do, you're gonna remove it and then blend it a little bit more. Since mine is good to go, I'm gonna proceed to preheat my pan on medium heat. And this is a super important step. You guys want to preheat your pan. The pan needs to be warm by the time we pour our batter in there. Once our pan is preheated, we're gonna spray it with our butter. Now the next step will be to dump some of our batter in our pan. To speed the process, I'm using 2 pans. You don't have to do this, but I'm a little bit impatient, so we'll do that. We're gonna let our pancake cook for about 3 minutes, and we'll just wait for now. Once that we see that our pancake looks a little bit fluffier and it has a little bit of bubbles popping around, we're just gonna flip it. And now we're just gonna let it cook till the bottom is golden brown as well. We're just gonna proceed to repeat these steps until we finish our batter. And I'm telling you guys, look how fluffy this pancake is. This recipe is the best. And there you have it, guys, your keto pancakes. This recipe is perfect for a Sunday brunch with the family, breakfast. I used to miss pancakes when I started keto, but then I found this recipe and it's always my to-go. It's delicious, they're super fluffy, and they're just great. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the pancakes that are delicious. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell button so it notifies you when I upload a new video. See you guys next time.